man, or if I start the cartoon, man, Ted for up in here.
Maswai, but you're not tired?
And me alone, you know. And me alone, me child.
Hurry up and carry the goat them. Go them. You're not easy enough.
In the green rolling hills of Jamaica, where the mornings are cool and the air carries the scent of ripe fruit and fresh earth, there lives a man by the name of Jimmy Smith. To many, Jimmy is the definition of hard work, but to those who truly know him, he is so much more. A devoted husband, a loving father, a son raised by a wise and gentle mother, and above all, a man whose determination turns ordinary days into something extraordinary. Years ago, life was simple. Jimmy worked the land with calloused hands and a grateful heart. One day, he decided to record a video in the farm.
Cucumber tree them, you know. Pick a whole heap out there ready to. One them I just pick a while ago. A bit more than 4 dozen cucumber for just them cool the tree here. So. And the okra tree. Brady, little okra like this. The cucumber run come on as a from beer. Okra them now. Real okra gone down the line, I see them. Blue and pretty. Bird pepper, nah this dry. Make bird pepper, nah this dry. Them okra them there, man. Some pumpkin. Put in little food, pumpkin, I run and come in a carrot walk. Not really wrong with that still. A nice pumpkin, I say. I want some salad. Salad cheese. Yeah, nice. Loaded as it. Just make him go and run on the ground. Nice, loaded. Nice one, I want some more updates still on the farm.
And that's what captured the hearts of viewers near and far. Not long after, another video followed. This time, Jimmy and his wonderful wife stood proudly beside a jerk pan that they had built together from scratch.
Yes, peeps. There's a little jerk thing we're going with today now. We don't really plan to go for a video still, but mom's are bad than us a video thing, so yes, me, we make a little short. Yeah, how are we going?
Yeah, we make the jerk pan ourselves. We make it ourselves.
So you can see what I go on.
I want to breadfruit to keep it warm. And that's over there in the file paper is a piece of potatoes. One whole of potato.
So if you want to see more of them, you just subscribe and like that channel. I understand. And you will eat more things in the store.
The fire crackled beneath sweet slices of breadfruit. The love between them was as warm as the flame beneath the breadfruit. But behind the camera, life wasn't always easy. Jimmy also worked in construction, building stone walls under the hot Jamaican sun, even when he wasn't feeling too well.
It's my beautiful peeps. It's your boy Jimmy out here, you know. So, you know, I want you to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell. Because we have some great content to come out, no joke about it. So just stay tuned and watch her go on. I said this morning, guys, we have to go up on the work site because they have an unfinished job, you know. But me they get ill and going to the hospitals, I see right now. So after that, now I can't take my rest for doctors and leave to take it. But I still, you know, I pressure myself and then a whole heap of hard nothing still, but I still have a there around, you know. So stay tuned and watch her go on. That is it, my people. I go out here with them, you see me? Yeah, man, big up and respect and love. Whole heap of strength for all who send them requests to me, you know? Yeah, man, all who goes out, man. True, your prayer really work. Yeah, man. So that is it, my people. Until, yeah, man. So later on, when we reach on the site, I'll show you guys what's going on.
Jimmy pressed on. It was that same determination, that unshakable spirit that shaped every part of his life. Before long, Jimmy began another chapter of his YouTube journey, one that was close to his heart. He started cooking with his beloved mother, Miss Little, a woman known for her kindness and her mastery in the kitchen. Together, mother and son prepared traditional Jamaican dishes.
So check in, my beautiful people. Well, I see this morning and a heavy cooking we have up on, but you know, say a healthy cooking we deal with and we are the cooking already. I guess I'll go around on the back, they go do like a brushing up. I'm going to see my little have no plant down on the farm. So you see all my viewers and my subscribers, big up and whole heap of respect, you know. So I'm going to catch up on the farm. And big up my camera personnel. Further on, we know who are my camera personnel for the day here. So stay tuned and watch how I go on. One big up my slicker behind the camera.
True.
Yeah, man.
So you say that you give me for my lunch today? You don't want no banana and no bulla. Me there work all day and if you go get banana and bulla, but you roast one breadfruit give me. Because I love cane, you know. I love cane. Time I go to see cane. As long as me have the money, I have to buy me cane.
See your pluck out.
And me have gully down so when me can come plant and me cane. Me did have one root down here one time, you know. And it couldn't come because as they reached 2 giant. Me say 2 giant. Me never know say I kill the root. As me see 2 giant, me pop off leaf and see 2 giant again. Me reap it. So till the cane root dead. Guys, stay tuned and show them fire when it's a blaze up.
Lovely breadfruit in a girl.
Yes, the one for me and one for you.
Yeah, man.
Come here alone down in here, go there to them.
Man, the bird, them alone.
Don't mash them out.
They look like a trumpet too. Breadfruit and ackee. Not because I mean feel me look like you guys. I tell you, man, and the breadfruit just butter when your mouth go.
So God, we're giving God thanks and praise for the food. Yes, so it's for health and strength and daily food. We praise thy name, O Lord. Amen. I'm going to eat this food. It kind of dry to me, I like. I didn't want more grease. But Jimmy said me love too much. But very nice. Not to mention this started
The goldfish. Man. See guys, it's time to brown God. Crumbs. That me have left now guys. So remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. And remember to watch the ads them guys. So see you in our next episode. That is it.
Slow cooked with love, shared with laughter. But the heart of the Smith household didn't stop there. Jimmy's wife was known for her delicious pastries, sweet, yummy treats that filled the home with joy. Her handmade buns, baked from scratch, were loved by all, especially the children. And yes, even Jimmy himself.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Welcome back to Renee's Life with Kids. Today, guys, is a fantastic day. It's a beautiful morning. God bless you all. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Yes, guys. So today, I will be baking. You know, I gotten some orders. Yes, I'm really happy. Yes, I gotten some orders through Miss Little. Yes, Miss Little Hot Kitchen. Yes. So, you know, she's having some guests and they order some bun. Yes, man. Beautiful. Beautiful mixture. The bun is out the oven. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. This bun is baked with lots of love. So now you know, say, we have to go sample. I have to pass it, you know. Papa have to pass it. Daddy have to pass it. Jimmy have to pass. Everybody have to pass it. If you don't pass it, now go out, you know. So now, you know, cool it, you know, guys. It's hot, and you know, say, when there's something don't cool, you don't get a, you don't see the good texture we have. Yes, guys. So Abigail, bun. Jamari, bun. Guess what?
Just check in.
Guess what? Mommy get order for all these buns. Yes, somebody order all these buns. So I could make some bun, you know. So that's what I did. So come, pray that I sell it all off. Yes. Let me hear the prayer.
Lord, please make me sell all of these buns. Amen.
Amen.
I'm going on my own, girl. Too sweet, too full. Just up on the right level, see? I see mixed fruits every night. Oh my God. Mama love it, man. If you're in the school long, I have a tin of cheese. Oh my God. If you want to make a move later, you have to have a cool and I have my cheese.
Guys, we pull up mine, you know. See?
You might have to pull you up on a job.
Jimmy and his wonderful wife spilled over into yet another part of their YouTube world. Together, they brought their personalities to life through funny skits, playful scenes that captured the humor and heart of everyday Jamaican life. But one thing about it, Boss Lady and Jimmy could never get along.
Boy, may I tell you, I don't know what happened to Jimmy, you know, man. Every day Jimmy say, I might go up and come back. I can't see Jimmy come. At evening now, I go bathe and come back and Jimmy not reach yet. And Jimmy say, I go change. That's all Jimmy say, you know. Bossy, I soon come, I go change. Because I come fix my flower spot this evening. But I evening now. And for early this morning, Jimmy come and say, I go to them something. Hey, that's why sometimes I can't bother, you know. I have all my something them there, so because Jimmy sell me unfinished flower spot. I make some full. Me glad feed so till me buy and it not complete. And me can't fix it. No, me can't fix that, you know, Jimmy have to fix that. Because when me go, me say me go put mesh wire in it. Me I say, but the dirt I go run through it. That can't work. Dirt and stone I go run through it, so how me I go put mesh wire in the bottom of that? Jimmy have to fix it, man, and Jimmy doesn't make me pay promises.
Where did all that, man? Oh God. Oh, I'm mashing the place out there. I'm like a key drop off of the tree. That's why I'm not like so much tree around the house, you know, man. My house, take care of yourself till I don't think you're going to see me coming back tonight. Work here, so take care of yourself till you see me. I gotta work.
Who that?
What do you mean, who that? Old dog.
Hey Jimmy, you know how long me there wait for you, man? How much can stay some, man?
You wanna know I'm coming up at the yard?
How much for
I come though.
But at night now evening at 3 o'clock. Me say, me cook, eat, give away and hungry again.
So you know no more food like
No. Where you go eat bag? You go somewhere?
Their skits made thousands laugh. But beyond the jokes, viewers saw what truly mattered. The love this family shared, the honesty of their journey, and the beauty of a life built on hard work and heart. The Smith family is not just about cooking or making skits. It's about family time. Those moments when laughter fills the home and love is stirred into every meal. It's about showing the world what a real, authentic Jamaican family looks like. A hard-working husband and father who leads with strength and kindness. A loving wife and mother whose warmth holds the family together. And children who are growing up in a home full of love, respect, and tradition. In every video, the Smith family shares more than recipes or jokes. They share a way of life, a reminder that in this fast world there is beauty in the simple things. Hard work, togetherness, respect, and above all, love. Before you go, let's share some love. Supporting small creators can make a big difference. And today, I want to shine a light on a few amazing YouTube channels that deserve way more eyes on them. Chrisanne's Bible Story. If you love faith-based content and storytelling with a creative twist, this channel brings AI-generated Bible stories to life in a fun and unique way. It's currently at 213 subscribers, but we're speaking it into being. Let's push it to 300 and beyond. CJ's Corner, a sweet and colorful world for kids. This channel is packed with fun learning activities, coloring time, and kid-friendly joy. It's sitting at 14 subs, and with your help, we can bust it to a nice clean 100 real quick. Pom Pom Parade. If you're into cute and creative crafts, this is the place. From adorable art to simple DIYs, she's at 24 subs. And I feel like we can help her craft her way to 100 plus. Let's show her what community looks like. And bestie, don't forget to stay connected with me personally on The Kelly Effect. That's where you'll find the real me behind the scenes. My daily life, seeing me try new things, more skits, vibes, and all the little things I don't always share on my AI-generated channel. It's raw, fun, and full of heart. Find out who is really Kelly Tunes. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment on these amazing channels. Let them know you came with love.